It's the end of the month. You check your bank account, and your heart sinks. The number is way lower than you expected. Where did it all go? You remember getting paid, feeling optimistic. This month would be different, but the money vanished, leaving you with dread and questions. It feels like you're running on a financial treadmill, working hard but never getting ahead. You replay the month, dinners out, online shopping, daily coffees. Each seemed small, but together, they sank your budget. Frustration sets in. You promise yourself next month will be better, but deep down, you doubt it. The cycle repeats, and the anxiety builds. You work hard, earn a decent income, yet always feel broke. Why is there never enough left to save or invest? You see others thriving while you're just trying to make it to payday. It's a silent struggle many face, feeling ashamed and alone in financial chaos. But what if you could break this cycle for good? What if you could finally take control? Meet Alex. Every month he gets paid and feels on top of the world. He pays his bills, then spends freely. Dinners, gifts, impulse buys. The first week is fun, but by the third week, anxiety creeps in. His bank balance drops fast, and suddenly, every purchase is stressful. He cuts back, eats instant noodles, and counts down to payday. This is the paycheck to paycheck trap. Brief comfort, then weeks of stress. The problem isn't income, it's not having a plan. Without a plan, money controls you. Your moods, choices, and stress levels are dictated by your bank balance. But there's a simple system that can change everything. It stops the leaks and ends the guesswork. It puts you back in control. Ready to break the cycle? Let's dive in. Imagine knowing where every dollar goes before you spend it. No more surprises, no more panic, just control. Your paycheck isn't just sitting there, you give every dollar a mission. Think of your income as a team. If you don't assign tasks, chaos follows. Money without a job gets wasted on things you don't need. The secret: assign every cent a purpose. Rent, coffee, gas, savings, investments, fun. When every dollar has a job, there's no leftover money to disappear. You move from reacting to your finances to directing them. It's the difference between being a passenger and being the driver. This mindset shift is what separates the stressed from the confident. It's not about earning more, but being deliberate with what you have. The system that makes this possible? Zero-based budgeting. Let's see how it works. Zero-based budgeting sounds complex, but it's simple. Your income minus your expenses equals zero. Every dollar is assigned a job. It doesn't mean your account hits zero, just that nothing is left unplanned. Most people budget backwards. Spend first, save what's left. Zero-based budgeting flips this. You plan where every dollar goes before spending. Create categories for needs, wants, savings, and investments. Allocate your income until every dollar is assigned. This method forces intention and clarity. You see exactly where your money goes and where it's wasted. Knowledge is power, and the first step to control. Here's how to start in 4 steps. First, figure out your total monthly income, your take-home pay. Second, list all your expenses. Fixed essentials like rent, utilities, transportation, and food. Add recurring bills, phone, internet, insurance, debt payments. Third, list variable expenses and financial goals. Dining out, entertainment, shopping, subscriptions, savings, and investments. Treat savings as a mandatory expense. Pay yourself first. Fourth, do the math. Subtract all expenses and savings from your income. If you have money left, assign it a job. More savings, fun, or debt payoff. If you're over budget, adjust variable categories until it balances to zero. The goal: every dollar is working for you. Use a notebook, spreadsheet, or app. Whatever helps you stick to the process. Don't aim for perfection, just get started. This is your blueprint for financial control. Let's see zero-based budgeting in action. Say your monthly take-home is $3,000. Start with essentials. $200 for rent, $150 for utilities, $400 for transportation, $300 for groceries, $50 for phone, $200 for student loans, totaling $2,300. Subtract from your income. $3,000 minus $2,300 leaves $700. Next, pay yourself first. $300 to emergency fund, $100 to retirement, $400 total. Now you have $300 left for lifestyle choices. Allocate $150 for dining out and entertainment, $50 for shopping, $100 for miscellaneous. Check your math. $150 plus, $50 plus $100, $300, every dollar is assigned. Income minus expenses equals zero. You've created a clear, guilt-free plan. Essentials are covered, savings prioritized, and fun money is guilt-free. No more wondering where your money went. This is your roadmap for the month. Simple, powerful, and repeatable. At first, budgeting feels strange. You check balances, say no sometimes, but soon the anxiety fades. You have a plan. No more guessing or guilt, just clarity and control. You spend on fun without worry, knowing bills and savings are covered. Money becomes a tool, not a source of stress. Month by month, you see savings grow and debt shrink. You're empowered, not trapped. Unexpected expenses? You're ready, because you planned for them. You become the CEO of your life, making choices that move you toward your goals. Today, stop letting money control you. Become the boss. Start your first zero-based budget. It won't be perfect, but it's a start. You work too hard to feel broke. Take control of your money and take control of your life.